The dictation will starts in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start. It would appear from these provisions that the seizure of the said vehicles was carried out with jurisdiction and the order of confiscation was also made. Full stop. It is also possible to contend that as the said vehicles were sold pursuant to a judicial order, no liability can be attached on the state government for their disposal by public auction. Full stop. But between their seizure and the auction, there was a duty implicit from the provisions of the act and to take reasonable care of the property seized. Full stop. This is so because the order of confiscation was not final and was subject to an appeal and a revision before the revenue tribunal. Full stop. State was aware that the order of seizure and confiscation was not final, being subject to an appeal and was liable to be set aside either in appeal or in revision. Full stop. It was also aware that if the said order was set aside, the property would have to be returned to the owner in the same state in which it was seized. Full stop. In spite of this clear position, the appeal was still pending before the revenue tribunal, and without waiting for its disposal, and it allowed to have it disposed of as unclaimed property. Full stop. The state government was fully aware by reason of the pendency of the appeal. Full stop. The vehicles were and could not be said to be unclaimed property. Full stop. In the circumstances, the state government was under a statutory duty to take reasonable care of the said vehicles which were liable to be returned to their owner. Full stop. Once the order of seizure and confiscation was held to be wrong, the respondent could rely on that obligation and claim the return of the said vehicles. Full stop. On behalf of the respondent, the contention urged was that the seizure might be lawful, but the state government was in a position of a bailee and was therefore bound to take reasonable care of the said vehicles. Full stop. No such reasonable care was taken and the vehicles remained totally uncared. Full stop. State filed the reply that there was no bailment nor can such bailment be inferred. Full stop. It can arise only under a contract between the parties. Full stop. This contention is not sustainable. Full stop. Bailment is dealt only in case where it arises from a contract, but it is not correct to say that there cannot be a bailment without an enforceable contract. Full stop. It is not necessary to incorporate into the agreement and to prove a consideration. Full stop.